This was our favorite discipline of the competition. We were all very looking forward to bowl the team event because we won the European last year. The lanes was the long pattern, and we have everybody bowled really well in long pattern. I found the lanes better today for me. I had a really good reaction. I think even Camilla shot almost 800, so we had a really good scores today. I think we talked a lot about the lanes, how they developed and how they changed, and we made the solutions very fast. I'm sure we will bowl the same, maybe on the medium. We like the profile as well.